All right, so you made it to Engage 2024.
Lucky you.
Yeah, and you saw James Svoboda's talk about PPC.
Oh, yeah, in the age of stupid AI.
Stupid AI,
Mm-hmm.
that's right, and how we can kind of make it through this wild new world
Right.
of AI and PPC.
That's right.
So,
very relevant.
Yeah, very relevant. And I think we should probably start by just making sure that everybody knows what
Yeah, what is stupid AI?
stupid AI.
Yeah, because it sounds kind of funny.
Yeah.
But
Not dumb AI.
no, it's not dumb AI. It's just AI that has its limitations, and we have to recognize that.
Well, and I think it's also just kind of recognizing, like, AI is not this magical thing
Right.
that can just figure everything out.
Right.
Like, it still needs our input.
It does. It needs good input. It needs good data.
Yeah.
And he really emphasized that in his talk.
Yeah.
That, AI is only as good as the information you give it.
Right. Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly.
That's not going to...
And in PPC, that is really, really important.
Yeah, because that's real money.
Yes. Very expensive garbage.
Yeah, so let's talk about how to, like, kind of avoid those pitfalls.
Yes.
And,
So how can we avoid some of these PPC pitfalls in the age of stupid AI?
Yes.
Well, he talked about this this idea of the linear engagement model.
The LEM.
The LEM.
That's catchy.
I like it.
Yeah. So LEM...
So you got to start with...
You start with your keywords.
Yeah, relevant keywords.
Relevant keywords that match user search intent.
Okay.
Then you have to have ad copy that speaks to that intent.
Okay.
And then finally, a landing page that delivers on the promise of the ad.
It's all connected.
It's all connected. It should flow
It's got to flow.
seamlessly.
So it's not just chucking keywords into a campaign and hoping for the best.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
It is a very, very thought out process.
So I think one of the things that he talked a lot about was PM.
Yes.
PMM. Google's AI-powered PTC tool.
Yes. Very powerful tool.
But, in this stupid AI landscape, like,
Yeah.
how are we supposed to use that effectively? So PMAX can be amazing for automating your campaign management and reaching your audience across all these different channels.
Sounds great.
It does sound great, but like anything else, AI, it needs fuel.
Fuel.
It needs the right fuel to run.
Okay.
And that fuel is accurate, consistent, and up-to-date data.
So it's like a race car.
It's like a race car.
Yeah.
You put the bad gas in there, it's not going to run well.
Yeah. Or it's going to break down.
It's going to break down.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So how do we make sure our PMX campaigns are getting that premium fuel?
Okay, so it all starts with conversion tracking.
Okay.
So are you capturing all of your relevant conversions, including the offline ones?
Like phone calls?
For phone calls and store visits?
Yeah.
If your data is incomplete or inaccurate, PMAX is not going to have the insights it needs to optimize effectively.
Yeah, he was really big on that.
Yes.
On, like,
offline conversions.
the offline conversions.
Oh, very important.
Yeah, and I think it's something that could be easily overlooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially when you're thinking about online sales.
Yeah.
But that's only a piece of the puzzle.
Right.
You want the full picture.
The whole customer journey.
Oh, customer journey, exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about AI bidding strategies.
Okay.
How do we use those budgets? Well, bearing in mind.
With stupid AI in mind.
Yeah, stupid AI in mind.
So AI bidding can be fantastic for maximizing your budget or reducing ad spend.
Okay.
But here's the catch.
Well.
If it's not managed carefully,
Okay.
it can overspend on really broad keywords and steal impressions from your other campaigns.
Oh, so it's like cannibalizing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially for lead gen.
Okay.
Lead generation.
So it's a balancing act.
It is a balancing act.
Right.
Yes. And he highlighted that AI bidding often favors the larger keyword groups with more data.
Yeah.
And that's where this idea of topical anchors comes in.
Okay. And this reminds me of the example that he gave
Yes.
about peacock.
Peacock. Yes.
Like someone searching for peacock could be looking for
So many things.
so many things.
Are they looking for the bird?
The bird.
A peacock feather?
A costume.
A costume? Peacock-themed decorations?
Yes.
Yeah. So many things.
So it's really about understanding.
User intent.
Yeah.
Like, why are they searching for this?
Are they searching for information? Are they searching to buy something?
Exactly.
Right.
So you need to group your keywords accordingly.
So we've talked about data quality.
Yes.
We've talked about keyword targeting.
Yes.
What about the actual ad copy and the landing pages?
Oh, yes. Very important.
Like, how do we make those things work for our audience
So
in this world of stupid AI?
this is where he had some really interesting insights, particularly when it comes to segmentation and emotional targeting.
Okay.
So he was really emphasizing the importance of tailoring your message to specific audience segments,
Okay.
understanding their needs, their motivations, and even their personalities.
You talked about Myers-Briggs.
He did.
Yeah.
Yes, which
It's like we're getting a crash course.
yeah, consumer psychology.
Yeah, in consumer psychology.
It is.
That's pretty cool.
It is very cool. And then he also introduced Plutchik's Wheel of Emotions.
Whoa, a wheel of emotions for PPC.
I know, right?
What is this?
So imagine a wheel with 8 basic emotions like joy, sadness, anger, and fear.
Okay.
And Plutchik's model suggests that by understanding these emotions, marketers can actually craft ad copy and landing pages that evoke specific feelings
Okay.
in their target audience.
So like if you're selling something that's about security,
Yes.
you might use like trust or serenity.
Exactly. Or if you're selling adventure travel,
Yeah.
you'd want to use excitement and anticipation.
So we're trying to make people feel things.
Yes, make them feel things.
Yeah,
Exactly, to get them to convert.
So it's not just about the information.
No.
It's about the emotion.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's about speaking to the heart, not just the head.
I like that.
Me too.
And in a world that's just like so saturated with ads and everything, that's the thing that's going to make you stand out.
It is.
That emotion.
Yeah, for sure.
So speaking of things that will make you stand out,
Okay.
he also closed his talk by saying
High quality.
high-quality editors
Yes.
and copywriters.
I loved that point.
Yes.
I thought that was so important.
In the age of AI-generated content, why is that so important?
Because it's tempting to think that AI can handle all of our writing needs.
Right.
It can't. It just can't.
It can generate text, but
Right. It can generate text, but it lacks the nuance, the creativity, the strategic thinking,
the human element.
the human element. Exactly.
Yeah, like we're trying to connect with real people here.
We're not trying to connect with robots.
Right.
We're trying to connect with humans.
Exactly.
And it requires a human understanding to do that.
So the AI can like
Yeah, it can help.
help us crunch the data.
Yeah, it can help us figure out the automation piece.
Yeah, but when it comes to like,
But when it comes to the heart of it,
yeah, to the heart of it.
the messaging,
Yeah, to the messaging.
we need humans.
Yeah.
We need the human touch.
And he gave that great example
Yes.
about everybody at Engage.
Yes, using the Engage conference attendees as an example.
Like how to build that ideal customer profile.
Yes,
That really-
exactly. And then craft copy that spoke to them.
Yeah.
It was brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I loved that example.
So what would you say is like the biggest takeaway
Okay, so biggest takeaway
for our listeners
from all of this.
about navigating this new world?
Yes, this new world of PPC and stupid AI.
Stupid AI.
Embrace the power of AI,
Right.
but don't surrender your human intelligence.
Ooh, I like that.
Use AI as a tool to enhance your strategy,
Yeah.
but never lose sight of the human element in marketing.
It's a partnership, not a replacement.
It is a partnership.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we need to always be learning.
Always be learning.
Yeah.
Adapting.
Staying informed
Yes.
about new technologies.
Yes. Stay curious. Experiment. Be willing to challenge your assumptions.
And sharpen your skills.
Yes.
As a marketer.
As a human,
Yeah.
your storytelling ability, your understanding of psychology, your empathy.
All the stuff that makes us human.
Yes.
That's what's going to make you stand out.
That's what's going to set you apart.
Yeah.
In this world that is, slowly becoming more and more AI driven.
Yeah.
I think those are the skills that are going to be invaluable moving forward.
So what are some practical steps
Okay, so practical steps
that our listener can take to like,
to apply all of this.
yeah.
Okay, so I would start by auditing your current data practices.
Okay.
Are you tracking conversions accurately and consistently, including those offline interactions?
Right.
Are you segmenting your campaigns effectively?
Okay.
Are you tailoring your messaging to each segment?
And once you kind of have that data,
Then you can start to incorporate
then you can start to incorporate.
those emotional intelligence and storytelling elements
Yeah.
into your copy
Yeah.
and your landing pages.
Don't be afraid to experiment. Yes. Experiment, test, analyze, and refine.
And like you said, the landscape is always
It's always changing.
evolving.
So embrace the challenge. Stay informed. Never stop learning.
I like that.
Yeah. It's a really exciting time to be in marketing.
It is.
We have all these incredible tools
Yeah,
at our disposal.
we do.
But like he said, it's really our human ingenuity
Yeah.
and creativity that are going to determine our success.
It's not man versus machine.
It's not man versus machine.
It's like this,
It's a collaboration.
yeah,
A synergy.
between human and artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think we've really covered a lot of ground
Yeah.
in this deep dive.
We talked about stupid AI,
Stupid A.
LM,
LL.
segmentation, emotional targeting,
Yeah.
high quality copywriting.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
But it's just the tip of the iceberg. Like this world is constantly evolving.
Yeah, what's one thing that our listeners can do, like today
Oh, today.
to start putting this into practice, I would say reflect on your current PPC campaigns.
Okay.
Where are you relying solely on AI?
Okay.
Where can you inject more of that human touch,
Yeah.
that strategic thinking, and that emotional intelligence?
Like maybe refining your keywords
Yes,
based on better user intent?
exactly. Or revamping your copy
Yeah.
to really evoke some of those emotions.
And maybe just calling up a copywriter
Yes.
to help you write stuff.
That was a really great point that he made.
Yeah.
And I think, this deep dive has given us a
Yeah.
really solid framework for
Yeah.
navigating
The complexities.
the complexities of PPC in the age of AI.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
it's up to each of us to take these insights
Yeah.
and apply them to our own unique situations.
It's been a really great deep dive
It has.
into PPC in the age of stupid AI.
Yes.
So stay curious.
Stay curious.
Stay adaptable.
Stay adaptable.
Never stop learning.
Never stop learning.
And the future of marketing is in your hands.
That's right.